Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BudgetBoss, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the BudgetBoss app on your smartphone. Open the app and create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Once logged in, you will be greeted with a dashboard. Take a moment to explore the main features displayed. To start budgeting, click on the Create New Budget button. Select your budgeting period, such as weekly or monthly. Next, input your total income for that period. Now, you will allocate percentages or amounts to various expense categories. These categories may include housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Adjust these categories according to your personal needs and priorities. After entering all your categories, review your budget summary. Ensure it balances by comparing total income to total expenses. Once satisfied, save your budget by clicking on the Save button. To track your spending, return to the dashboard and select Track Expenses. Here, you can input. BudgetBoss will automatically update your budget status as you add expenses. Regularly check your dashboard to see how you are staying within your budget. If you notice overspending in any category, consider adjusting your budget. At the end of your budgeting period, review your results. Identify areas where you excelled and areas needing improvement. Use these insights to refine your budget for the next period. With consistent tracking and adjustments, you'll develop better budgeting habits. Explore additional features like reports and savings goals for more insights. BudgetBoss makes managing finances easier, helping you achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.